Hey everyone, what's going on? Mark here from TST Industries back in the garage. And behind me I have the beautiful 2025 Ducati Streetfighter V2. And in this video, I will be guiding you through the installation process of the TechSpec USA Gripster Tank Grips. For this particular video, I will be installing their XL2 variant, which is their thinnest material designed to help secure you in place under hard braking, accelerating, or even when you're diving into corners. However, we do offer two variants, the XL2 and the Snake Skin material. Snake Skin is slightly thicker, it has a diamond pattern, and it provides the ultimate grip under those conditions. Now, this is a pretty straightforward installation video. Essentially, we are just applying a giant sticker, but per TechSpec USA's application instructions and their application videos, there are some nuances that you should know, like preparing your surface and also heating up the temperature of the application surface or the material to an adequate temperature to properly get the adhesive to adhere to the tank. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in and begin the install. To begin, we will first prepare our work surface, which is, in this case, the tank. So we just have some basic isopropyl alcohol here. We're gonna go ahead and apply it onto a microfiber. Pretty conservatively, you don't need to go over the top with this. A lot goes a long way. And you're really just cleaning up the surface from any oils and tiny debris. Now, it is important to note that each TechSpec Gripster Tank Grip set by default will always include at least one grip per side. So you will always end up with at least two tank grips. However, some models do have two per side, some have even three per side, and then there are also kits that will include a center protector. None of the variants for the V2 at this point include a center tank protector, so it's important to just read over the product pages wherever you're purchasing from. Hopefully our website, link is in the bio, or a link is in the description, I should say. But this kit will only include 4 total grips, 2 per side. Now visually, as you look at them, it's important to note that the setup should look like this when it is applied onto the tank. TechSpec logo facing downward in a readable manner, and then the small piece on top. Now we do want to heat up our work surface or the material. A lot of people aren't too careful when it comes to using heat guns, and personally I'd rather not bubble the paint on a brand new Ducati. So in this case, we will just go ahead and use a heat gun and liberally apply it and coat the tank grip with the heat gun. We're really just trying to work the edges mainly. After all, those will be the sealing factor for the rest of the tank grip. You want to make sure your edges are heated up adequately. So we'll take our first tank grip. And previously we have shown the installation while using a socket, like a 22mm socket or even a spark plug socket. We understand people may not feel comfortable doing that, so we got this nifty little tool from Lowe's or your local hardware store. It was about $5. It's a nice applicator that you can roll on, creating a nice secure application. So we're gonna peel off the back protector here. And now this is where you really wanna make sure you're eyeing things. Look twice, measure twice, do it once. These will peel off, but once they peel off, they will not reapply as easily or as securely. I like to find one corner and build off of that using it as a point of reference. At this point, we can continue applying. Use our seam roller to create a nice, even application all the way across. And this is just a hard plastic material, so even if you're not super careful and it happens to slip and get on the paint, hopefully it will not damage it. Now we're just gonna roll over a few extra times, again, mainly on these edges. The edges are what is going to prevent debris from entering. When you're riding, your knees will tuck in here. And it's very common for, zippers, pockets, keys, whatever the case may be, to lift up the edges. So you wanna make sure you're heating those up adequately and also rolling over them adequately to prevent them from curling up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and heat up the top piece and we'll get ready to apply that as well. And again, you want these corners to kind of match up, and you want the line to be as parallel as possible. There you have it, just like that. You have now successfully installed tank grips on one side of your tank. And just like that, you have successfully applied the TechSpec Gripster Tank Grips onto the tank of your Ducati Streetfighter V2. So we're gonna go ahead and hop on over to the other side. And by the end of this video, you'll have the confidence knowing how to apply these grips, and more so the confidence knowing that you'll be locked into your bike under riding. And there you have it. Just like that, this installation is now complete and you have successfully installed the TechSpec Gripster Tank Grips onto your all-new Ducati Streetfighter V2. With a new level of confidence during braking, cornering, and acceleration, these tank grips will help you feel secured into your bike, and best of all, they also indirectly add a layer of paint protection, as now your riding gear won't be rubbing up against the raw paint on the tank. So if you're interested in these tank grips, you want to buy them, you want to see what else we have available for the V2 or any other bike that may be in your garage, please visit our website, tstindustries.com. The link to these exact tank grips can be found in the description below. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to do so in the comment field below. We'd love to hear from you. Of course, if you haven't already, you should probably hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on to stay up to date with all the new and exciting videos we have coming out of the TST garage. And of course, everyone is always looking for specials, wants to know latest and greatest happenings at TST, what events, products, all the workings that's going on here. Please be sure to follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter or X, Threads, all username TST Industries. Those are the go-to places to find out sales, promotions we're running, events we're gonna be attending, new sponsorship opportunities, new product releases, and potentially even bikes that we are selling from the TST fleet. So for now, this has been Mark in the TST Garage. I thank you all for watching. I hope you guys ride safe, and we'll catch up with you next time.